Did you know women's brains can detect lies before they even realize someone is lying? Your eyes unconsciously track tiny facial expressions and spot deception 0.3 of a second before your mind catches up. Even when women say they trust someone, their pupils actually dilate slightly when watching dishonest behavior. It's like your body knows the truth before you do. Here's the incredible part. When women trust their gut feeling about someone lying, they're right 89% of the time. But when they ignore those instincts, their accuracy drops to just 54%. Evolution designed you to be an exceptional lie detector to protect your children and avoid dangerous partners. That uncomfortable feeling during job interviews, first dates, or business meetings isn't paranoia. It's your brain's sophisticated warning system working perfectly. Your instincts aren't weakness or overthinking. They're biologically advanced protective mechanisms, fine-tuned over millions of years. Trust them. They're rarely wrong.